Experiencing trouble connecting your external monitor to your HP laptop via a docking station? You're not alone. Many users face this issue with HP EliteBook, ProBook, and Spectre models, especially when using USB-C or Thunderbolt docks. This is a common setup where an HP EliteBook laptop connects to a docking station for multiple peripherals. Docking stations like this HP model provide connections for monitors, keyboards, and storage devices. Even premium models like the HP Spectre can encounter detection issues with external monitors. This diagram illustrates how docking stations enable connections to multiple monitors and peripherals. Thunderbolt ports on HP laptops provide the interface for docking station connections. We'll explore common causes and how to resolve these docking station issues. The core issue usually involves a breakdown in communication between your laptop's GPU, the docking station's chipset, and the monitor. This breakdown can stem from several common causes that interfere with the communication pathway. Start with the basics. First, ensure your docking station is powered on and receiving power. Next, check that all cables are securely connected between your laptop, docking station, and monitor. Loose connections can prevent detection. Confirm that your external monitor supports the resolution you're trying to use, such as 4K at 60 Hz. Check the monitor's specifications if unsure. If auto detection fails, manually detect the display. In Windows, open Display Settings and click Detect. On macOS, go to System Preferences and select Displays. Outdated or incompatible display drivers are the most common culprit behind monitor detection issues. Use HP Support Assistant to automatically update your graphics drivers for Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. Also, check for firmware updates for your docking station available on the HP Support website. After updating, restart your system to apply the changes. When basic driver updates fail, advanced troubleshooting becomes necessary. First, roll back to a previous driver version using Device Manager, particularly useful after major operating system updates that may introduce compatibility issues. Alternatively, use Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU, to completely remove all existing drivers before performing a clean installation of the latest version. This method effectively resolves conflicts from corrupted or incompatible driver files. This clean installation approach is particularly effective at eliminating persistent driver conflicts that prevent external monitor detection. Verify that your USB-C cable and port are functioning correctly. Physical damage or wear can interrupt the connection needed for monitor detection. Try a different USB-C cable or port on your laptop. This helps isolate whether the issue is with the specific cable or connection point. Insufficient power delivery can cause intermittent detection of external monitors. The docking station needs stable power to function properly. Ensure your docking station is receiving adequate power from its power adapter. Check that the adapter is plugged in and functioning. Consider testing with another monitor to rule out monitor-specific issues. This confirms whether the problem is with the laptop setup or the display itself. In some cases, BIOS settings on your HP laptop may need adjustment to fix external monitor detection issues. First, restart your laptop and immediately press F10 to enter the BIOS setup menu. This key works for most HP models. Once in BIOS, navigate using arrow keys to find Display or Thunderbolt settings. Look for options like External Display Support or Thunderbolt Configuration. Ensure CSM support is enabled if present. For Thunderbolt docks, follow these steps: access BIOS, enable Thunderbolt, save changes, and exit. After making changes, save and exit BIOS by pressing F10 and confirming. Your laptop will restart. Consult your manual for model-specific details. Looking ahead to future trends and solutions, universal connectivity standards like USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4 are revolutionizing dock reliability. These advanced protocols promise seamless plug-and-play performance, reducing the frustration of connectivity issues that plague many users today. Thunderbolt 4 technology, in particular, offers enhanced stability and higher bandwidth capabilities, ensuring that HP docking stations work reliably with modern laptops and displays. This standard is becoming the backbone of professional computing environments. HP's Smart Driver tool harnesses artificial intelligence for predictive diagnostics, identifying potential connectivity problems before they manifest. This proactive approach could significantly reduce downtime and user frustration in the coming years. To stay ahead, always keep your system and firmware updated through automated tools. Leverage these intelligent solutions for seamless integration. If docking issues continue despite these advancements, reach out to HP support for personalized assistance and the latest troubleshooting guidance.